Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this voice body using Creo Parametric. In this model, I am going to start with the front plane. This sketch I am going to model it, then I will extrude up to the length of 70. After modeling this, then I will add this feature. After adding this feature, I will start doing the material removal. Then I will create this cut. Then I will create this fold. Now we'll learn how to model this component using Creo Parametric. So this is the model I have created in the Creo Parametric. After modeling, we'll get this. Now we'll learn step by step how to model this component. First go to File, Close, go to New, make sure you are in Part and Solid, untick this Use Default Template, save OK, use as the unit, save OK. Now for easy modeling, I'm just going to keep this figure left side, Creo in the right side. Yes. Now I'm just selecting the front plane, sketch view. I'm going to draw this center line for making symmetry object. Now start with the line. This one is a symmetric line. The line total length is 180. Fit screen. I'm just keeping it at the bottom. Now take the line. This height is 50. Then one small cut. Then put the. This is, we can keep it as rectangle line. Somewhere here, connect it and close it. Now we'll set the dimension one by one. Go to Modify, click this one, select this one, Modify, select this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now change the dimension one by one. First this one is 32 and this total height is 80. Here they are specified as 80 and this height they are not given, just leave it. And this distance is 180 minus 32 minus 30 and this height also from the bottom to center they have given. This height is 55. Here they have given this height is 55. 55 from the bottom. So just leave it, just say OK. This dimension they are not given. Now take the dimension from here to here. The height is 55. This side they are not given. Instead they have given thickness dimension from here to here. It is 35. So this is the sketch. The object is also symmetric. Save OK. Extrude. Make it symmetric. The total extrusion length is 70. Say OK. Now we'll add this feature. Select the surface, this surface, sketch, sketch view, cut section, cut section. Here we have to draw. Take the reference of this edge, close. Now put the circle. Just take the reference of this also. Take a circle. The height, the diameter of the outer circle, the radius of the outer circle is 15. Dimension, this one is 15. From this surface to here, center point is 25. This one is 25. Here you can see, yes. Then take a line. Connect it here. Similarly here and connect it here. Just connect it here. Remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments. This is they have given. Here we need to do a round. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. The thickness is 30. Say OK. Now we'll start doing the material removal features. First select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Take the reference of these two edges, close. First put the rectangle, make it symmetric. This rectangle, go to dimension. From here to here it is 20. Similarly here also it will be 20. Only the height has to be specified, that also be 20. Again take, just put the center line, rectangle. This one is a symmetric rectangle. The height is 20. And total width to remove is 22. From here to here it is 22. Now just say OK. Just go to edit sketch. Remove the unwanted edges. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. Throw all. Say OK. Now we just want to make a hole here. Sketch, sketch view, cut section. Take a reference of the circle. Close. Take a circle with a diameter of 15. Say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. To next. Material removal. Say OK. Now we just want to make a round here. Here the radius is 28. 32 minus 28 is this distance is 4. select the surface, sketch, sketch view, reference, this height is 4, dimension from here to here it is 50. Here you can see it is 50. Now just say OK, extrude, change the direction to next, say OK. Now we'll make a round with a radius of 28. For that, choose the round, select this edge, radius is 28, say OK. Now almost all the features are done. Here we just want to make a round here. Select this round, select this edge, give some 6. Here select this edge and 6. Say OK. Now all the features are done. So this is our final object. This one is our final object. So to rotate the object, just press the roller and rotate it and view the object completely. Now we can apply the view, appearance, color, say OK. Remaining we can apply some other colors. This way we can apply the color. We can change the appearance of the model. In this tutorial, we have learned how to model this vice body. And next tutorial, we'll learn with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.